Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. Let us continue with our English speaking session. This is really going to help you in your English speaking practice. What differently I do here is I pick up general basic conversational topics. I give you references also so that you understand or you are able to relate to it, like how this is a conversational topic or how these topics comes up in our conversations. Okay, so I give you a reference, I tell you how you can speak on it, what should be your content, how you should organize your thoughts and speak about it during conversations to sound fluent and confident in speaking in English. If you start practicing in this way, if you keep on taking up these topics and practicing English speaking in this way, it will help you to become fluent and confident in speaking in English with anyone, anywhere, on any topic. Trust me on this. So guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. But if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section, and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. And do put your comments in the comment section, guys. Whatever you feel, whatever you want to talk about, whatever is there in your mind, just speak out. This will help you to break that ice and to start speaking in English or expressing yourself in English. Okay, let's begin now. So today I'm going to talk about childhood memories. We all have a lot of childhood memories, and when we see our kids, when we see other kids also playing, or when we start speaking about things, we do go back to our childhood and we remember something or the other which we used to do, and we do speak on it and we do mention that in our conversations. And these are very simple basic conversations, guys. Every now and then we feel nostalgic, right? We do remember something and we do feel nostalgic. Like, for example, it's summers now and we do eat ice creams. Whenever I eat ice cream, I remember my days when we used to get this 1 rupee stick, ice cream stick. And trust me on this, guys, every time I buy those cups or ice cream, I do remember that 1 rupee stick ice cream which I used to cherish during my childhood. I can never forget that taste. I can never forget that feeling. So this is how, we remember our childhood, we remember our old memories, right? So that is why I've taken up this topic and I'm going to talk about it, so that you can also start speaking on this topic. You can also take up any childhood memory, anything which you can just describe in front of people in English during any conversation, right? So I'm going to pick up 1 or 2 memories of mine which every now and then I remember and I do talk about it. The first one is my summer vacations. To start with, I'm going to talk about how was my summer vacation like. Okay, let's talk about this and how it was different. Summer vacations were always fun for us. We used to live in a joint family, and I remember my cousins coming from different places during summer vacations. So we all used to collect at my place during summer vacations, and that is why it was very special, because there were lots of kids and we used to enjoy a lot with each other during summer vacations. Okay, so in general, I just spoke about why it was special, right? Because my cousins came from different places and we all collected at our place and we had a lot of fun during summer vacations because we all met after a long time and it was fun. So this is in general, I spoke about what was my summer vacation like or why it was special. Okay, now coming to the main part of the conversation, like what did we do during this time? Okay, what special we did during summer vacations? That is the main part of the content or the conversation. So I'm going to tell you what I did during this time which made it special or which was different for me. So during summer vacations, the whole day we used to have fun. We used to play different kind of games and we used to do a lot of masti. Sometimes we started playing indoor games, sometimes we played outdoor games. Our parents also didn't stop us much, but yes, they always told us that it's very hot outside, so you don't have to play outside, you have to come inside and play during afternoons. So mornings we used to go out and play. When the sun was strong, we used to come back at our place and we used to start playing indoor games like hide and seek, ludo, carom, uno, dumb charades, antakshari, etc. what not. And there were lots of kids. We were a lot of us. So we used to collect at our place, my aunt's place, my uncle's place. We used to keep shifting places the entire day. So during afternoons we used to be indoor, and again during evenings we used to go out, and at nights also we used to play. Trust me on this, the whole day we used to have fun. And for the homeworks, I think for 10-15 days, whatever time my cousins used to stay with us, we never used to look at it. And it was just 1 week before the school was reopening, we used to start working on our homeworks. And that also due to our parents' pressure. My mom used to tell me like, finish your homework. And then we used to do that. So this is how we spent our holidays or summer vacation with our cousins. And then you can conclude. Now here, while concluding, you can just compare your times and today's time also. You can compare the weather, you can compare the season, you can compare the mindset, thoughts, etc. whatever you wish, right? So you can do that comparison also to end your conversation. Like, apart from having fun the entire day, the main highlight was the ice cream vendor which used to come during afternoons. We used to hear the bells. They used to ring the bells. And wherever we heard that bell, we used to run out and call the vendor to come to our place so that we can buy ice creams. Yeah, and those 1 rupee 50 paisa kulfi or 1 rupee ice cream, I used to love. We all used to love. So everybody used to get that ice cream treat during afternoons. And we loved it. And apart from that, during evenings, we used to have this watermelon or any lemon sharbat or rooh afza or mint sharbat. We used to drink this during evenings. So I think this is something which I'll never ever forget. Today's times are very different. I don't think our kids will get these kind of exposures like drinking sharbat in the evening or calling the ice cream vendors and buying ice cream from them. Right? Nowadays, kids are like, they go and buy cold drinks or fruity, maaza, so all those canned products they buy and they start drinking those, right? But our times were different, very peaceful, very entertaining and very simple. So this is how we can end the conversation, right? So I've highlighted a lot of different things in my conversation, right? I spoke about the entire day. We used to have fun. We played different games, and then ice cream vendor and sharbats and everything we used to drink in the evening. So these were the highlights of the summer vacation. But right now, kids are not very fortunate to get this kind of environment around them, right? So this is how we can talk about it, right? So guys, you also start thinking about it. You might have some other memories. Just try to organize it in this way. I'm giving you what to talk about on this topic. Accordingly, prepare your script and start talking about it. You don't need to give a speech for 5 minutes. Just the introduction will have 2-3 sentences. The content might have 4 to 5 sentences and the conclusion will have 2 to 3 sentences. It's just that 10 sentences, 12 sentences, it's over. Not more than that. You don't have to prepare a speech. Just try speaking on these topics in this way, guys. It will be much easier for you to start speaking in English. It will look organized, it will sound interesting, and of course, you will sound fluent and confident while speaking about it as well. Yeah? Isn't it? Well, that's it for today, guys. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching, and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye. Take care.